Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Spotify through Voicemeeter. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is to download Voicemeeter Banana from vbaudio.com. So open up your web browser, go to vbaudio.com and select Audio Apps from the top. Afterwards, select the Banana VB Audio option. Download Voicemeeter Banana and install it correctly on your PC. After you download Voicemeeter Banana, what you have to do is go to your Windows control panel or the sound settings and set the VB cable as the default output of your computer. Otherwise, this will not work. After you set VB cable as the default output option, go back and play the Spotify track you want to play through Voicemeeter. Open up Voicemeeter Banana and select one of the 3 available channels as the channel to play Spotify on. I recommend setting up a custom name by clicking at the name on the top of the page. Afterwards, all you have to do is start playing Spotify and your desktop audio will be captured through Voicemeeter. After you have a custom Spotify output in your Voicemeeter Banana panel, you can change its settings and choose whichever individual channels you want to transfer the Spotify audio to. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Spotify through Voicemeeter. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.